In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your camera to animate your avatar in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to spice your experience on Roblox, you can go ahead and just animate your avatar using your camera. And to do this, just go to settings once you are logged into your Roblox account and then head to settings. Under settings, choose this option privacy and content restrictions, and under it choose communication, and then go to the last option, that is camera input. Now you can see this is currently turned off, and you are told if we turn it on, we shall use camera to animate avatar with your movements. However, your video will not be shared with the Roblox or other users. But you have to note that camera might not be available on certain devices. So to turn it on, go ahead and toggle this on, and now this will be captured. So that's how you can use your device to animate your avatar on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.